provision for doubtful debts, right? Now, right, provision for doubtful debts. Now, my bad debt means simply we have 100% sure we can't recoverable, right? We can't recover it, right? Receivable balance we can't recover. Recover කරගන්න බෑනේ. ඒතකොට මෙතන provision doubtful debt means ළමයි we are ready for future losses, right? Ready for future bad debts in advance. අපි කලින් ready වෙනවා bad debts වලට. අපි හිතන around 10% cannot recover, right? Like that. So here ළමයි there are three scenarios. First one I'll write down scenario number 1. Scenario number 1, right? Scenario number 1. Okay, right. Now, then this is actually my initial provision, right? First of all, I'll write down here debtor balance. This is my TB, trial balance as at 31st March, right? There's a debtor balance. There's a debtor balance 800. This is my closing balance, right? Closing debtor balance 800. Then write down additional information. Identify 10% provision for doubtful debt. 10% provision for doubtful debt, right? Now, and here my debtor balance, total receivable balance 800, but here says identify 10% provision for doubtful debt. Again, we have to think around 10% will be unrecoverable. අපිට 10% විතර හම්බෙන්නේ නැති වෙයි කියලා අපි හිතනවා. Right? Then we have to ready for future bad debts. Right? Therefore, can you calculate and tell me how much of doubtful debt here? Calculate provision for doubtful debt equals from the debtor balance, you have to calculate 10%. How much? 800 and 10%. How much? 80. This is around 80,000 won't be recovered. Right? Will not be recovered. So, therefore, this one same as my bad debts, right? But I'll take two columns here, two boxes. This is my doubtful debt expense. Right? Doubtful debt expense. This is my debtor balance. From the debtor balance, you have to deduct it. Right? From debtor balance. Doubtful debt expense my debit 80. Right? Debit 80. So you have to deduct it from the debtor balance. So can you tell me then therefore double into what? Bad debt, doubtful debt expense increase debit, debtor asset decrease debtor credit. But we have to prepare here a special account. Did you remember the special account? Instead of credit into me, and double entry should be doubtful debt expense increase debit, debtor asset decrease credit. Right? This is double entry. Right? Debtor decreases like the bad debts. So instead of credit into debtor account, we have to prepare special account. What is the name of special account? Doubtful debt. Debtor. And there's a debtor balance still 100. Right? Doubtful debt debit, debtor credit. Right? Like this you have to record. But instead of crediting to here my debtor account, අපි debtor credit කරන්නේ නැතුව we have to prepare special accounts because all the things you can record on a debtor account. I'll prepare here a special account called what? The brother account of debtor. Brother account. Brother account of debtor. Clear? We call it what? Provision for doubtful debt. Understand? අපි ඒකට කියන මොකද්ද? Provision for doubtful debt කියන කියනවා. Provision for what? Doubtful debts. Right? එතකොට මේ this is not same as debtor account, but here you have to prepare special account. Understood? එන්න මෙහෙම තමයි දාන්න වෙන්නේ. Doubtful debt, debit, debtor, credit. Okay. Therefore, here provision account lamai 80 ni. Then debtor lamai asset ni. But provision means a balance comes from actually credit side. Make a balance again credit side. But provision means what? Brother account of debtor. I mean, therefore, I'll change the name here. Provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt. Understand? එතකොට කරන්න ඕනේ මේ doubtful debt debit, not debtor, provision for doubtful debt credit. Right? එහෙනම් මම මෙතන වෙනස් කරනවා කියලාද? Provision for doubtful debt. D. Clear? Therefore, then debtor means asset ni. Debtor has debit balance. But provision for doubtful debt also my debtor asset account. මේකත් asset account එකක්. But it counts my abnormal balance. Which balance? Credit balance. Asset accounts වල debit balance එකක් තියෙනවනේ, but from this one lamai there's a credit balance. Understood? Credit balance. Very special, no? Abnormal balance. Credit balance, right? First of all, lamai write down income statement, distribution expenses. Distribution expenses. SOFP, current asset. Current asset. Right? So, debit entry lamai record under, then debtor balance, I'll write down debtor TB balance. TB balance how much? 800 TB. Right? Right? Double entry. Doubtful debt expense lamai record under here. How much? 80. Me our provision account lamai, you have to, then this is brother account of debtor ni. In the order unknown, make we separately you have to deduct it. Me provision for doubtful debt. Kina venama adu karala pennam. This is the credit entry. Write down all the things. Debit. This is credit. Another you have to get the net value. Net value ko unno maragana pennam. Harima actual receivable balance. Okay. Right. Right. Okay then. Scenario number 2. Again write down trial balance. TB as at 31st March. Debit, credit, debtor balance. Debtor balance lamai 900 on the debtor closing balance, but here they will give provision for doubtful debts. April 1st balance. April 1st lamai credit balance 50,000. 50. April 1st provision කියලා කියන්නේ opening balance or closing balance. Opening balance or closing balance. April 1st provision. Opening balance or closing balance. April 1st provision. That is my opening balance. Write down first of all. Opening balance. Clear with now. Then write down additional information. Identify provision for doubtful debt. 10%. 10% you have to identify. Right. First of all, write down. ඔන්න දැන් provision එකක් තියෙනවා TB. හරිද? දැන් කලින් තිබ්බේ නැහැ. That's why we call initial provision. Right. හරිද? Now let me calculate the provision for doubtful debt. Make provision for doubtful debt. Calculate that. This is actually closing provision, no? Calculate closing provision. Debtor 10%. Debtor balance 900. It should be 90, right? But we have 50% now. 50 opening provision. Calculate it. Now this is a special part. Now I'll take here 2 boxes. Doubtful debts and provision for doubtful debts. On provision for doubtful debts. Now on a special part. Now provision account. How much the opening balance? Me closing balance should be 90. Opening balance was actually 50. පටන් ගත්තේ 50 දෙනවා අන්තිමට තියෙන්න ඕනේ කීයද? How much? 90. This is a special one. ඔයා මේ විදිහට මතක තියාගන්න. Then I'll prepare here T accounts. Doubtful debt expense provision for doubtful debts. Okay, there's an opening balance, credit balance 50. Clear the credit balance 50. Then මෙහෙමයි වෙන්න ඕන. මේ then let's think opening balance now 50. Like water tank. වාගේ water tank එකේ තියෙනවා 50 liters. Credit balance like 50. Credit 50 එකක් තියෙනවා දැන් මෙතන. I'll write down head. Right? But should be how many liters? 90. Credit balance වෙන්න මේක තමයි end ඕන. තේරෙනවද? තියෙන්නේ කීයද? 50 but end ඕනේ 90. Right? මට කියන්න දැන් ඔයා හිතන්නකෝ දැන් ඔයාගේ ගෙදර water tank එකේ වතුර තියෙනවා 50 liters උදේම. හවස් වෙදි තියෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා කියනවා 90 liters. මට කියන්නේ මේ box එක provision for doubtful debt box. There's a deficit value or overstated value. Over or under. තියෙනවා මදීද වැඩිද කියලා තමයි මම අහන්නේ. කියන්න බලන්න. Right? මේ TB balance තමයි 50. Opening provision but closing provision we calculated here 90. මේකට මදීද මේ box එකේ තියෙනවා නැත්නම් මේකෙන් අයින් කරන්නද ඕනේ? What do you think? Tell me first of all. What? Well again. Provision එකට මදීද වැඩිද? Send me answers. But again, over provision or under provision. Under කියන්නේ මදි. Over කියන්නේ වැඩි තියෙනවා. How much the value? Send me over provision or under provision. හැමෝම මේවන්න answer. Don't write. How much the value? How much the value? කොච්චර මදිද? 40, right? 40 deficits ළමයි මේ. Therefore, we have to increase the balance. කොච්චර මදිද? 40. We have to put ළමයි 40. That is the one you have to recognize as an expense of the business. මෙන්න මේක තමයි ඔය expense කියලා ගන්න ඕනේ. Right? Provision. Understand? Therefore, this is the one credited. It should be debited to the provision for doubtful debt expense. Clear? We call this one lamai what? Under provision. Understand? Under provision. Then here lamai credit balance to up to increase to 90 credit balance. 40 should be what? Eka credit ne karanna onne. Credit and here debit. Clear? Finally you can get how much? Actual value. Or 50 ka cancel lela. Closing balance how much? 90. Understand? This is the one we call under provision. ඔයා බලනවා TB balance එකත් එක්ක මේවා box එකක් ගහලා බලන්න එක පාට මොකද වෙනවා මේ short method එක මීටත් වඩා ලීසියා මම ඒකත් අන්තිමට කියලා දෙන්නම් හරි therefore write down the double entry now and write down all the things here. What's the double entry? Doubtful debt expense debit 40, provision for doubtful debt expense credit 40. First of all, write down. ඉස්සල මේ විදිහට හදන්න logically හොඳට understand කරගන්න. Then I'll teach you short method. Right? Double entry ඇතුවත් හදන විදිහ මම කියලා දෙන්නම්. Right. මම මේක ළමයි short method එකක් කියලා දෙන්න. ඉස්සල logically හිමීට කියලා දෙන්නම්. Short method මීට මාර ලීසි හරි. Right. So here income statement. Distribution expense. Current asset. Right. First of all, I'll write down here data balance. මම මේක ටික ටුක්ටක් මේක ඇඩ්වාන්ස් කරලා මේ විදිහට කරද්දී. නේද? ලීසි මම මේක short method එකකින් තව මාර්ක් ලීසි. හරි. දැන් data ළමයි TB balance how much 900. Right. TB balance and there's a provision for doubtful debt. I'll write down the data balance here provision for doubtful debt ළමයි TB balance 50. මේකත් උහුම දාගන්න. Right. Now, what's the under provision? That's the adjustment entry. Doubtful debt expense debit recorded under distribution expense. $40 provision for doubtful debt credit means me added to the opening balance me credit entry 40. Therefore, you can write down the actual one. අර පරණ එක cancel වෙලා මේක cancel වෙලා මේක තමයි deduct කරන්න හරිම ගන්න. Clear? 810. Understand? There are only 3 scenarios. Debit, here credit. Then තේරෙනවද ඉස්කෝලේ කරපු එක තේරෙනවද? දැන් මේ කලින් පුළුවන්ද කියලා මම අහන්නේ. දැන් කරලා තියෙනවනම් තේරුණාද නැත්නම්? ටික අමාරුයි වගේද? මම තාම ඉවර නැහැ session එක. Session ඉවරෙත් තමයි මට තියෙන්නේ. මේක logically උගන්වන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි short methods වලට යන්න ඕනේ. හරි? මට කියන්නේ කලින් දැන් ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙන අය කියන්නේ මේක නිකන් shape ද තේරෙනවද නැත්නම් මොකද තත්ති කලින් මම කරන්න කලින් එවන් බන් ඇත්තටම කියන්නේ right හරි දැන් confusing එක මේ තාම ඉවරනේ session එක ඉවරනහම මට 100% clear වෙනවා right තාම ඉවරනේ short method එහෙම තියෙනවා right now ළමයි scenario number 3 there's a closing debtor balance 750 but me April 1st provision here how much 87 write down opening balance write down opening balance 87 කියලා දාගන්න 87 clear so calculate the provision for doubtful debt and tell me the closing balance අවුරුදු අන්තිමේට තියෙන්න ඕන ගාණක් තමයි හොයාගන්න provision for doubtful debt 750 . into 10%. Right, 10% how much? It's 75. Now, please draw the two boxes here. Doubtful, on the opposite side, a doubtful debt expense. And here, provision for doubtful debt. Now, my actual closing balance should be 75, but beginning of the year, 87. Me uda diyenne. Me udin දානවා. 87 had. මොන තියෙනවා? TB balance. හරි. වාට මේක පුළුවන් වෙනවා. තමයි logically අපි කරගෙන යනවා. අන්තිමේට short method එක ටක් ගාලා කරන්න පුළුවන්. 87. But closing balance දැන් බලන්න. පටන් ගද්දි තියෙන 80 liters කියලා තන. There are 87 liters in our water tank. But closing water should be 75 liters. 75 liters තමයි තියෙනවා. යටින් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. 75 should be. This is the actual one. Therefore, now tell me, there's over provision or under provision? තියෙනවා වැඩිද අඩුයිද? Tell me, දැන් කලින් එකේ මදියා යට තිබ්බේ හවස් වෙද්දි උඩ රෙන්න ඕන. දැන් මේක මේ උදේ තියෙනවා 87 liters, හවස් වෙද්දි තියෙනවා 75 liters. උදේ තියෙනවා වැඩිද? අඩුයිද කියලා අහන්න. Over or under provision? Over provision or under provision? Everyone send me එවන් හැමෝම එවන් dance එක. කොච්චරක් වැඩිද මේකේ? දැන් වතුර තියෙනවා වැඩි. උදේ තියෙනවා 87 liters, හවස් වෙද්දි තියෙනවා 75 liters. වා අපෝ අයින් කරන්න ඕනේ වතුර ටික. මොකද කරන්න ඕන? මේ වැඩිනේ. මේ therefore you have to deduct it. මේ අයින් කරලා දාන්න ඕනේ. Therefore this is my credit balances. If you want to deduct it, how much? There are 12. මේ deducted. Reverse කරනවා. එහෙනම් therefore my expense also you have to reverse. That's the adjustment value. This is the adjustment value. What? Understand? Therefore, this one we call what? Over provision. Clear? Then if I record your two ledger accounts, doubtful debt expense, provision for doubtful debt. Balance lamai 87. වැඩිනේ. Therefore, to make 87 credit balance, if you want to decrease to 75, 12 minus means how much debit to credit. Credit balance එක අඩු කරන්න ඕන නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕන? Debit ද කරන්න ඕන credit ද කරන්න ඕන? It should be what? මොකද හිතලා කියන්නේ credit balance එක මේ මේකෙන් අයින් කරන්න ඕන නම්. If you want to deduct 12,000 from the 87, shit. Debit or credit? Debit, right? Make debit කරනවා මේ credit balance to deducted it තමයි debit. Right? Debit කරනවා මේ ලියා ගන්න ඔක්කොම හොඳට study කරන්න. This is logically I'll teach you, but then I'll teach you the short methods. ඒතර බැරි ළමයිටත් logically තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් එයාට short method එකක් තේරෙනවා. Right? මේ to deducted ළමයි 12,000 debit. Write down slowly. Then expense also ළමයි decrease මේ reverse. අනිත් පැත්තට තමයි යන්නේ මේක. Right? මේ finally you can get 75. This is the one closing. Up here, calculate how much should be the closing balance. Then I just comparing with the opening, identify over under provision. Then that should be the adjusted value. Then can you write on the double entry here? Anik factoring provision for doubtful debt. Debit 12, that means deducted. Doubtful debt. Expense credit 12, that means minus. This is my over provision. Write down the topic here now. Over provision. Short method එක මම කියලා දෙනවා. ඒක පටස් කරලා හදුවා. හැබැයි මේක ඕනේ because we have to learn logically and they will ask double entries. Double entry එක ඇහුවොත් එහෙනම් short method එක කරොත් double entry ලියා ගන්න බැරි වෙනවා. මොකද කරමු? Right. Okay, we'll finish. Clear? Let's recall now financial extractions. Distribution and SOFP. Current asset. Right. Recall the data balance, TB balance. Data balance 750 minus provision for doubtful debt. This is a TB balance, and write on the TB balance here also. Closing should be 75, therefore reverse. Make provision for doubtful debt debit means minus. Doubtful debt expense deducted. 12 minus. But then there are what are the examples for distribution? Promotional expense, right? Therefore, here we have to deduct it from total distributions, right? You have to reverse. Doubtful debt expense, you have to reverse. Not from the gross profit. Our gross profit එකෙන් අඩු කරන්න ගිහලා distribution admin. ඒක නෙමෙයි මෙතන කරන්නේ අපි total distribution එකෙන් තමයි අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. Reverse කර. Understand? Distribution expense තමයි reverse එකෙන් deduct. අයින් කරලා දානවා. Right? අනිත් පැත්තට යන්නේ. Therefore net value will be 75. Net value how much? 675. Write down the adjustments. I'll teach you the dual short method. No? Debit. Deducted from total distribution expense, right? Promotion, discounts allowed, carriage outward. ඒ ඔක්කොගෙම doubtful අරක අඩු කරලා පෙන්නනවා. අඩු වෙනවා. So distribution එන්න ඕන ගන්නට අඩු වෙලා තමයි යන්නේ. Right. Okay, right. Clear now? There are only 3 scenarios, right? Out of these 3 scenarios, there won't be any questions, right? Adjustment. ඔතනින් ওই තුනේ හරිය එන්නේ අනිවාර්යෙම එන්නේ. හරිද? ඉතින් ලේසිනේ ওই ටික බලන්න යන්න. දැන් තාම ඉවර නෑ. තාම ඉවර නෑ. තව තියෙනවා. දැන් මම මේක කියලා දෙන්නම්. දැන් එකපාරට තාම confuse වෙන short method එක කියලා දෙන්න. ඒක කොහොමද ලේසි. හරි? දැන් දන්නවනේ කතන්දරේ. right? දැන් මේක එකපාරට මතකට තියාගන්න අමාරුයි වගේ නා short method එක බලව කරා. අපි short method එක විතරක් ඉගෙන ගත්තොත් චුට්ටක් අපිට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ මොකද්ද මේ වෙන්නේ කියලා නිකන් තේරෙන්න කටපාඩම් කරනවා වගේ තමයි. Right. Tell me. Right. So everyone try to complete now all the things, right? Try to do the last questions now according to these dual impacts. Right, මේ box එකෙම ගහලා කරන්න. Example number 33. Try to do example number 33. Try to do example number 33. Write down the adjustment entry. If you want, please record. Try to මේක ලියලා මේකත් ලියලා double integral extractions වලට දාන්න බෑ. මේක දැන් ඇත්තටම කලින් කරලා තියෙනවා නම් තමයි හොඳ. ඒක තමයි ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ කොච්චර මේක අමාරුද කියලා. හරිද? මේ කොහොමද තේරෙනවද දැන්? හරිද? මීට වඩා අමාරු lessons තියෙනවා like non profit manufacturing. දැන් මගේ website එකේ වැඩිම sell වෙන්නේ මේ දවස්වල මේ non profit. Right? Non profit and manufacturing. ඔය දෙක තමයි non profit manufacturing partnership. Right? ගොඩක් යන්නේ non profit එක තමයි ගන්න යා කට්ටිය. කියන්නේ 2025 වෙනකල් batch. Right, write down short method. Right, write down number 1. Debtor closing balance. Write down 1,500. Provision for doubtful debt, DD. Opening balance, much shortly, Anna. Opening balance 95. 95 credit balance. This is debtor debit balance. This is credit balance open. Right. Identify 10% provision for doubtful debt. Doubtful debt. Right. Now, right. First of all, and also draw the income statement first of all. Rule on income statement, distribution, SOFP, current asset. First of all, record the debtor balance sheet. Debtor balance 1,500. Right. Okay now, okay again. Right. Then we are not going to follow double entries, right? Now draw that box, provision box. Draw the provision box. Provision. Tell me that here calculate the provision. Calculate the provision. 1,500 into 10%. It's 150. 150 closing balance. Here opening balance how much? Below 150. I mean 150. Actually opening balance 950. Head. Should be how much? 150. This is the actual value. Tell me under provision or over provision. Okay, can under provision or over provision? How much? Madi the value. How much? Hurry up and tell me. Key the door. Key the how much? Madi ne the maker. Madi na da. Books are da. How much? I think 55. This is the expense. This is the expense. Understand? Under provision. Expense. 55. If you want, you can add under provision. Right? Then here you have to deduct it. Provision for doubtful debt. Here you have to deduct it. Then make this. This is the previous one. This will be cancelled now. This is the actual one. You have to deduct it from what? Trade debtor balance. මේක තමයි අර පරණ එක cancel වෙලා අලුත් එක එනවා. ඒක තමයි debtor එකෙන් අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ ගිහිල්ලා. 1,350. Understood? Right? Difference එක බලනවා දාන්න ඕන ඒක expense කියලා ගන්නවා. පරණ එක cancel වෙලා මේ new actual provision should be deducted from debtor balance. Okay then. Clear? Right. Which one is easy now? Short method or think they are අනිත් පැත්තට ගම over provision එකත් ඔය වගේ මම එකත් කරමු. හරි. Okay the finish. Let's do the next one. Right. First of all write down. Debtor balance lamai 2,300. Here opening provision navila 285. Opening provision lamai 285. Clear? 285. Right. Calculate and can you do now? As usual, then කරන විදිහ තේරෙනවනේ පරණ එක cancel කරලා අලුත් එක තමයි මෙතනින් අඩු කරන්නේ. Can you do? Tell me. Just draw the box. Provision box. Provision box එක විතරක් ගන්න. ඔය box වලින් හදනවා අපි non profit වලට එනවා. දැන් box means තමයි simply ledger account. Ami provision. Calculate the provision. Provision 2300 10%. 10% means like 230 නේද? 230. Tell me under provision me had opening provision actually more than closing balance. I'll write down here 285 had. End on yati 235. 230 actually. Tell me under provision එක ගෙව බැලුවා ඉතින් leasing box එක. Tell me over provision the under provision. Here answer had 285 closing calculated, we calculate the closing balance 230 under provision no over provision. එවන් හදපුවා. under provision බලන්න දැන් වරද්දනවා. ඉතින් මේ තියෙන්නේ 285 end ඕනේ 230. ඒතර under වෙන්නේ කොහොමද? වැඩිනේ. වැඩි. කොච්චරක් වැඩිද? මේ වැඩි. ඉතින් වැඩි නම් අඩු කරනවා බලන්න. මේ අයින් කරන box. How much? Minus 55. මේ minus නේ. Therefore expense should be deducted. අර දැන් මතකද අර totally logically මේ 55. Okay නේද? now ළමයි had previous one will be cancelled. This is the actual calculated one. අන්තිමට තියෙන්න ඕනේ මේක තමයි debtor එකෙන් අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. This is the one deducted from debtor balance. Right, short method. 2070. Right. Okay ද? දැන් මේ හරි සරල දේවල් නා. දැන් මේට වඩා combine maths physics එකේ මේ කොච්චර අමාරුද දෙන්නේ. Right. Whatever can understand. Can තව එකක් දෙන්න තව question එක. නිකන් තව try එකක් දෙන්න. කොච්චරද ඔච්චර තමයි තියෙන්නේ. එක්ක 1 එක්ක